Vara Virtual Academy, one more problem. Proficiency exam, SAT, ACT exam. If A is 250% of B, what percent of A is B? And we have 5 options as usual. How can we solve this problem? Well, let's start with the beginning. The first fact, A is 250% of B. Okay, well, let's write that down as an algebraic expression. A is, right? A is, we can write is in algebra's language as equal 250% of B. 250% of B, you guys remember, we're writing this as multiplying the percent by the quantity and dividing everything by 100. Okay? And obviously you can simplify here by 0, right? And by 5. 5 goes in 25 5 times, 5 goes in 10 2 times. So my new equation looks like A is 5/2 of B. What percent of A is B? How can we find that? Well, first of all, let's find what fraction of A is B by solving this equation for B. Because I have 5/2 of B, I will multiply this one by 2/5, which is the reciprocal of B's coefficient. And to keep my equation true, I will multiply both sides by that number. 5 and 5, 2 and 2 on the right side are cancelling out, which gives me B, left on the right, equals 2/5 of A. Okay. Now the easiest way to find what percentage of A is B, what is that 2/5 in percent, will be to get 100 as for your denominator, right? And how can I obtain that? Well, 5 times what gives you 100? 5 times 20. And because I'm multiplying the bottom by 20, I'll multiply the top by 20, such that nothing changes here. But my new equation will be B equals 2 times 20 is 40, 5 times 20 is 100 times A. Okay, but 40 over 100 is nothing else but 40%. Okay, so another way to write this is that B is 40% of A. And the question was answered. D is the right answer. Feeling good? Feeling better? This is one way in which you can solve a given problem. Another way is to work your way backwards and eventually figure it out. Okay? Thank you.